Hello. Thank you very much. I did an Excel for Strategy HR on the 5th and 6th of January 2022. And these are the participants. And what do they say, right? The Faber Castell manage HR says that this is the what is how they feel about this feedback, right? So these are real. I didn't change it. Right? This is how they give me the stars, right? Like this one, there's no star, right? Then I just put it there. I mean, just genuinely that these are their real feedback. So as you can see here and about here, the trainer's attitude and the training contents. I really designed some contents that you cannot find it elsewhere. That's because that I understand more than just Excel. So, for example, if you watch, if you read this article, in this post, right, it said, "Hi, Harold, I need some advice regarding the annual leave. We hired business development manager and last year on the 4th of October. So that means it's about, and after 6 months of probation, right, that will be ended at 4th of April. So he's tendered on this, and so he's looking for a solution, or he's really just looking for this solution. How about the next one? How about the next? So why is that such a problem? So I talk about this on the effectiveness of onboarding experience. And now I want to talk about is that now based on the onboarding experience, right, you need to when you decided to hire the person, right, you need to create a Excel or something, any tools like that. You need to put it there, hire date and the last day proportions, and you don't go and find a calendar. You just need to use a very powerful Excel functions that is, yes, eat it. Right. You put it there 6 months. So if you say it's a 3 months, then you just put it 3 months, and it will be on this one. So effective onboarding experience are very important because you decide the first 90 days. You don't need 180 days to decide whether the person is the right fit, because that you not confident with your onboarding process, or you don't even have a onboarding process. That's why you need 6 months. But a company who are well established, they just need 90 days, or even 90 days, or maybe 60 days. So thereby they can improve the speed of delivering quality process and services will not be interrupted, because you hire it and you keep it. You hire it and you keep it. And you can grow your company. This is what the 90-day speed mark can do. So, right, see that? Right, if they are using the onboarding process successfully, and I believe in certain way, yes, they do, right? They have this process in place. If not, how can a company expand today into 2,000 outlets? See, there must be an onboarding process, an effective onboarding process, which means that 90 days. So you just use Excel to chart it, or even draft it on the paper, and now you know that what you need to do with this, right? So in this video, you learn about how to use the EDIT. How useful is that, right? You don't need to use the calendar to check one by one. It's like which day is it? What's the day? Yeah, you know. And with a careful onboarding process, you will not have to ask this question. You will need to have asked, when do I promote the person? Yeah, that's your next question to ask. And thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.